Hi, I'm Marshall Truitt. I'm a renovation specialist with Riverbend Sandler Pools. Looking to renovate your pool and outdoor living area? Renovation doesn't have to stop at your pool. At Riverbend Sandler, we offer turnkey solutions for your entire backyard. Outdoor living rooms, fireplaces, outdoor kitchens, and fire pits allows you to use your backyard all year round. It's like adding another family room and increases the usable square footage of your home. Spending more time outdoors helps decrease stress and build more family memories. It can also actually improve your health. You can also see a dramatic increase in the value of your home by investing in your backyard. Enhanced living spaces are often on the checklist of potential buyers. There couldn't be a better time to renovate your pool. At Riverbend Sandler Pools, we're your turnkey solution.